All right, guys, this yard's terrible. This is like really tall. It's been a month, a solid 4 weeks since I've been here. And this is the third time I'm cutting it. It's the second time I'm using a mower. The last time I was here, I used my snapper mower. It has a 190cc engine on it. And it wasn't bad, but it also wasn't this tall and this thick. So this is definitely going to be a challenge for this mower and myself. If we can get through this yard with this mower, I'll be happy. So we're going to figure it out. I got my bag, I got my side discharge, and we're going to mulch. So the first thing we'll do is we're just going to start off with mulching and see if we can keep the engine running and see how it, see how well this thing does. Guy across the street with a pesticide company just fired up his rig. So let's go ahead and move this thing into the shade so hopefully it lasts a little bit longer and see what we can do. You can really hear the engine dig in deep. Gosh, you don't even hear the engine slow down at all. I mean, the blade's not exactly keeping up 100%. That's incredible. Listen to that. Holy cow. There's absolutely no bogging down while mulching. Now granted, you might have to run over it once or twice extra. Listen. What? I'm going to go over it real quick. This thing's not even trying to slow down. We're going to finish this and then we're going to put the bag on. This is unbelievable. I don't care what mower you have. If you're cutting grass that tall and that thick, you're going to go over it 2 times, maybe 3. We never even heard the engine hiccup. Didn't even try to slow down. Is that a testament to the horizontal shaft with the gearing and all that? Maybe the blade is slowing down, like it's slipping on the belt, but the engine's powering through. Now we're going to put the bag on and see what happens. Here we go. Listen to the engine. It just digs in deeper. All right, so a little bit right here. But I'm sorry, you're going to go over grass twice when it's this tall. There's no way around it. And look what it collected. Just about a full bag already. I'm just going to mulch because this is a ridiculous amount of grass. So I'm just going to assume that I got to go over it twice and I'm just going to mulch. So like right over here, it's crazy thick. So I'm going to go ahead and just run it full speed. Total self-propelled, full speed mulching. And listen to the engine dig down deep and keep going. Any other mower would have stalled. any other mower would have stalled. Holy cow. Digging. That engine is digging. And yes, I don't care. Any other mower, you'd have to go over it 2 or 3 times as well. And a Toro Time Master, forget it. Don't even unload it. Put it back on the trailer. Won't work. So now I'm going to go over it a second time and clean it up. And we're full speed. I'm getting dizzy, for crying out loud. We are full speed. I'm seriously getting dizzy. Let me straighten out these last 2. What an amazing design. Holy cow. Effortless. Completely effortless to do this. This is that really crap Bahia County type grass. Just crap grass. It's not even like good blades of grass, you know. Oh, I said blades of grass. Hi, Johnny. I am thoroughly amazed with this mower. Just thoroughly amazed. Okay, I got you guys in the shade. I'm gonna put the side discharge chute on and try to finish. So I really don't want to. That's not how I would mow this yard right now. I would just keep mulching it, but I want to demo the side discharge chute for you guys in thick grass. So that's what I'm gonna do. So let me get this beast out of my Jeep. And so what I did is, in order to show you guys like a positive difference with the mowing, is I did the weed eating and edging first. So that way, as I mow, everything looks nice, and you can complete the picture in your mind as to, what this mower's doing, instead of having to still go back and weed eat and it looking like crapola. So hopefully I got that right. Sometimes starting this is hard because my shoulder is hurting really bad, and it's kind of hard for me to pull sometimes. What I'm looking for here with the side discharge chute is how well is the clippings evacuating out of the deck. And does it help the mower do a better job cutting? And I can say already, no, not really. It's just so damn tall. There's not going to be any magic to getting this done. It's going to have to be mowed twice. But one thing you can do in this situation, use the side discharge, keep sending the clippings to the middle, and then take the side discharge off and mulch it. Or if you want, you can bag it if you're worried about getting the clippings off the ground. Listen to this mower. Just keep going. Nothing stops it. So now we're starting to cut tall grass and clippings. So now we're really starting to put a tax on this loader. But the simple fact that I can just keep walking. I'm not sitting here having to cut in layers. I'm not sitting here going back and forth. I'm not having to stop. You know how you gotta stop, you gotta lift it up. I'm not doing any of that. I've never, ever used a push type mower in something like this with such ease. I mean, it's amazing. Absolutely amazing. I mean, we're going to stall this thing before the day's over, or I'll be disappointed. There's no way this mower's going to beat me. We're going to get this mower to stall. Maybe. I bet we don't. Alright, so we got the whole thing mowed. So now we just go over it to make it look really nice. And we can keep the side chute on, it don't matter. And all them clippings, but all those clippings are gone. They're gone. They did a really good job of handling it. Now we're just getting rid of some of these stragglers, because it's that crazy bahia grass and stuff. A lot of times it'll lay down and pop back up. Can I curse? Holy shit. Look at what we just did. Effortless. Wow. Okay, let's have a serious talk real quick. This mower has far exceeded expectations. I've never believed that a push style mower would be able to tackle what we just tackled so effortlessly, like we're just mowing a yard. And we just mowed the yard. Yep, we had to go over it twice. Yep, you're gonna do that with every single mower you have, no matter what. Even a big ass zero turn would have had to go over this twice. I'm sorry, I've got decades of experience. I know it to be true. Unless you're gonna drop 12, 15 grand on a mower with a bag attachment setup that has, a 36 volt diesel engine and 52-inch blades, 3 blades in there doing just a pulverizing job, okay. But apples to apples, this mower, a 20-inch style push mower, all the way up to the Toro Time Master, I have never used a mower so successfully in a yard so horribly out of shape. And that is a Dan's Vlog honest review. Check the video description for more information. If you haven't seen the video on how a horizontal shaft mower works, check it out. It'll be in my video descriptions. Also, if you're interested in purchasing this mower, check it out. I got an Amazon link straight to their page. You can check that out. I got spare blades for this thing listed on there as well, and the initial review video. assembly and review video. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you are interested in picking up this mower, check the video description in the comment section. I'll have it pinned #1. Once again, this is Dan, and see you on the next one.